Greetings everyone, welcome to Token Nuggets. Today we'll be looking at a potential opportunity to farm BTCST tokens on Binance.com. This is the Binance portal and we'll explore the news section. So we click on more on the front page here, and the very first piece of news here is what we are after. So we click on that and open up the news item. Introducing Bitcoin Standard Hashrate Token BTCST on Binance Launch Pool. So you can farm BTCST by staking BNB, BUSD and BTC tokens. Do your own research and have a look at the news as presented to us on Binance.com. We must put the caveat out there, or well, a disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only and sharing information that exists to you and I, just bringing it to your attention. So without further ado, let's have a good old experiment on how to carry out staking on this particular opportunity. So this is again the news item around the BTCST token. So if you get on the Binance portal, go to the Launchpad section. Click on Launchpad and you are presented with all of the launch pools in progress on Binance.com. So in this instance, we are interested in staking Binance Bitcoin Standard Hashrate Token, beg your pardon. So we are going to carry out an experiment using BUSD, because we have a little bit of BUSD for these test accounts here. So we click on stake now, and of course our available BUSD has been detected by the system. So all we need to do now is click on stake. Click on stake, and if you have a particular figure in mind, you type in the figure that you would like to stake, or you want to stake the maximum that you have. In this case, we'll be staking the maximum. So we click on max and then we click on stake, and then you get a prompt or a message saying informing you of successful staking. And that about concludes how you would stake on Binance for this farming opportunity. So again, don't forget to do some more research on what this particular token does. More information available on the news section here, and look outside of the news section as well for more research, just to avail yourself of any potential opportunities. And don't forget, the description of the video there would be a link to Binance Referral for those who don't have a Binance account just yet. Thank you very much indeed for watching. Thanks for your time. Token Nuggets out. Peace. Be blessed.